Assalamu alaikum and very warm welcome to all of you. Today you will learn why mean value or the DC value of sinusoidal signals, that are sine and cosine, over one period is 0 or over integer multiple period is 0. So let's see it graphically. You can see this is a one cycle of the cosine waveform. So signal is x of t, which is equal to cos of omega naught t, where omega naught t is the frequency in radians per second. So you can see that this is the quarter cycle of the signal positive. Again we have the half cycle negative, and then we have the quarter cycle positive. So just as summation adds discrete samples of a signal, integration adds all the infinitesimally small values of continuous time signal. For a sine wave or cosine wave, the positive area under the half cycle is exactly equal to the negative area during the other half cycles. So just for your understanding, I have put some lines here. So you see, finding mean value is just adding these numbers, how many these lines are, and plus these lines are, and plus these lines are, and dividing by the number of total lines, that is total lines here plus total lines here plus total line here. So mathematically we write it 1 over t, because from here up to here it's a one complete cycle. So one cycle is completed in one time period, so 1 over t, and then we integrate it from 0 up to t cos omega naught t. So in this way we find the mean value of over one period of sinusoidal signals. Specifically here is the cosine waveform. Okay, so as I just said, that integration adds all infinitesimally small values of a continuous time signal. So if we add all these values, you see these values and these values, they have the positive sign, whereas these values, they are the negative. So if we add them together, they will result into 0, because the values, or the, in terms of, if we talk about the area, so area under the negative half cycle is same as area under the positive half cycle. So that's why it will be 0. Hope that gives you idea why integration, why the mean value of the sinusoidal signal, whether sine or cosine, it is 0. So for the sine wave also similar arguments applies. And similarly, if we want to take the mean value, or the DC in signal system, it is also called the DC value. So if we want to find the DC value over any integer number of periods, it will result into 0. So that's all from my side. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. So that's all from my side. See you until the next lecture. Goodbye.